What's going on, traders? Stockafella back at you today. Just did bought Roku. Average cost is 131.09. It's having a little fake out right here. I locked some of it in right here. If it holds the 131, you guys, I'm gonna add 300 shares. Currently have 700 shares at the average of 131.09. Watching level 2 in volume and times and sales real fast. I want to see if this old resistance becomes new support right here. You can see these shorts just try to take it down. So far they couldn't. Let's see if they try again right here. This is a risky play right here, you guys. So we're going to take the chance right here at 131 if it holds. Let's see if the bidders hold it up. Right now we're fighting at support. They're trying to dump the 131 right now. Trying to be a little patient with this one. Want to see if 131 holds, you guys. Let's see the volume on this. Bidders came back in at 131. Just added on, you guys, 300 shares because I've seen a lot of bidders step it up trying to hold up the 131. I just need a crack of the 9 EMA right now. That's our only problem. Let's see if the 9 holds it down or not. They're going to try to crack the 131 again, you guys. Had to turn on my heater, you guys, because it's cold in here. Here we go. They held the 131. They're trying to hold the 131 again. Let's see if volume steps up. I'm going to check on the market real fast, you guys. Market's been having a red day today. Just added on, you guys, 400 shares because I'm seeing this thing hold off 131 really well. Added on 400 shares. Might add on a little more. Okay, just added on, you guys. Now I'm in full 1,700 shares at the average cost of 131.14. Let's see if I was right or wrong. Let's see if they hold it above 131.15. First target is going to be this area right here. Hopefully we're going to sell 1,000 shares in that area. We're going to give it a couple minutes, you guys, to test. They're trying to dump this thing, you guys. I have my plan, you guys, so I'm not worried too much about the risk. Gonna stick to the risk. Had a good week this week, but that's okay. We're still gonna stick to the risk right here. You can see the 3-minute candle just got A in. Excuse me, still trying to hold the support right here. Uh-oh, just cracked 130, you guys. Gotta give it a second to test. Gonna get rid of this out of my face, you guys, so we can see the screen a little better. I want these shorts that just came in real hard to cover right back up again. Let's see if 131 becomes resistance or not. Need some volume to come in on Roku. Right here is where we're taking off 1,000 shares if it cracks that area. You guys can see I just bought another 100 shares because it just did a little bearish trap, a little fake out. Hopefully I'm right. So let's give this thing a few minutes. After a couple years, you guys, you'll get the hang of this, you guys. So right now we have 1,800 shares. I'm going to put 1,000 shares ready on the market. They have a trend line in their favor. That's the problem. They have a little trend line, a downwards trend line. So hopefully we could crack this little trend. Excuse me, you guys. We got big size coming in on the sellers trying to keep this thing below. Hopefully they'll start covering in a minute above this area right here. They'll start covering above the 40 area. If we get above there, you guys. Right now we need to get above 28. Three out of four stocks follow the market, you guys. So we want to check on the market. Keep checking on the market. Buyers, a few buyers coming back in, you guys. Not too many. Need a better wall on level 2 right now. We need a better wall. We need the bidders to step it up past 28 right here, 131.28 and higher. And these guys got to get above 131.30, 131.40. Let's see if they get it above there. We got some people keep offering it for cheaper, which is not good for us. But so far, it looks like it's on a decent little breakout. But technical analysis, you guys, is all probabilities. So sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong. Let's see. Roku's acting really slow today, you guys. Market's slow. We got a lot of traders still on vacation, so not liking how it's acting so far. Not liking it. Hopefully we pick up on the volume. Power hour just kicked in, so let's see what happens in the next few minutes. Main thing is I'm trying to hold it above this trend line. This trend line right here hopefully holds above this. Hopefully these shorts who came in here trying to break the 131 start covering once they're underwater right here. I don't want these longs to start cutting losses once it gets below here. We need the bidders to start stepping it up and need some volume to start coming in. A lot of sellers, you guys. Let's see. Hopefully the buyers could keep holding it up. We need to get above the 30 area and the 40 area, really. They keep trying to beat this thing up, man. They keep trying to beat Roku up. Trying to crack the 131 area. We got this zero guy within his size trying to hold it up right here. Got a small gap to fill, you guys. Small gap to fill to like 132. So, but it is a red day. That's the problem, and we have a lot of shorts attacking. But we do have a small gap to fill. Trying to have a little patience, you guys. Still holding the 131 so far. Still holding the 131 area. Need some more volume to come in. We got a big seller, you guys, at 131.25. Let's see if we can get through that guy. $128, we're watching for the 128 area to break. After that is the 140 area to break. I'm gonna take off 1,000 shares, you guys. Always selling to strength. Just sold 1,000 shares. Have 800 shares left. So we're gonna get 400 shares. Half of 800 is 400 shares. We're gonna get 400 shares ready on the level 2 for the breakout of 131.50. Hopefully. Let's see if 131.50 breaks. If not, we're gonna take it. Give it a few seconds for the guys to start covering. Nope. Let's see if they break it on this candle. If we get a higher high, all we need is a little higher high. Bam, you guys. Just sold another 400 shares into their covering on the breakout of 131.50. Got 400 shares left. Now half of 400 is 200 shares. Always, you guys, lock in profits, lock in profits, lock in profits, lock in profits. I should have locked it in at the 60. I'm going to give it a chance to break the 60 for a second. Bam. Sold another 200 shares, you guys. Have 200 shares left. We're going to see if we can test 132 with the rest of the 200. We got a lot of shorts covering right here. All the shorts that tried to crack the 131 had to start covering, you guys. A lot of buyers came in and started buying also into their covering. So we just cracked the 40. Let's see if we can hold it above the 50. Next resistance is 132. Let's see if we can get there. It's not holding the 131.50. Not holding the 131.50. What's our number one rule, you guys? Focus on risk. Let's see what happens right here. Even if it continues squeezing, it's okay, you guys. We lock in our profits. We're always selling to strength. When we're shorting, we're covering into weakness. Let's see if we fill this little gap right here to 132. The small little gap we have right here. Let's see. We need this 50 to become new support. So we need this to crack, and we need the 50 area to become new support. Watching level 2, you guys. We want to see bidder step it up past the 131.50. We want to see guys on the sidelines smacking with big size right here in the green. Like this, but we need bigger size. We need like 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. We want to see big money coming into this right now. Excuse me. Volume so far we have a few profit takers. We don't have that many shorts attacking right here so far. Remember, you guys, shorts want to sell high. So this might be high to somebody, but a lot of people are probably waiting for this area because this is like next resistance. Here we go, here we go. They're going to try to attack the 150 again. Let's see, 40 holds. 36 just cracked. They're not going to hold it. Finger on the trigger, you guys. Number one rule, always focus on risk. Next support, if it cracks, we are gone, you guys. We are taking the money and we are going to run. This came straight from my alert, you guys, straight from the plan. So what's our motto, you guys? Always plan the trade, trade the plan. Always. Right? I tell you guys, always be quick, you guys, lock in profits. Even if you miss out a lot, it's okay. Look how fast it goes up and down, up and down. You don't know you don't know what's behind who might dump up here, how much supply is up here. We don't know. We're just reacting basically to what's happening instead of predicting. What a lot of people try to do in the market, there's a little predicting in it, but mostly reacting to what's going on, to what's happening. Right now it's holding. So far it's holding the 131.40 area, that new support, that 131.30 area. This is why we sell into strength, you guys. New old support, old resistance becoming new support. So far becoming new support. Let's see if they hold it up on the next candle. 15 seconds away from this candle to finish forming. Well, here we go. There's another minute candle. Let's see if they crack the 9. Let's see if they crack the 9 EMA. This is looking like a nice little place to add right here, you guys, but I don't want to trade for too long, and I don't want to make the video too long. I just want to see if this thing fills the gap. This is my little gap fill strategy. It could work on any time frame, you guys, any little time frame. Sometimes it doesn't get all the way there, but at least 60 to 70, sometimes 80% there. Sometimes usually fill it and keep going. But that's why we're watching level 2. We want to see if these guys try to take it to the target area. This is the next target, you guys. Always know the targets. The bull's next target after 131.40 right now. They're trying to take it to 132. That's next resistance, and that's a round number. So they're going to try to take it there. The shorts they're not even going to try to let them get there because they have the 9 EMA. They have a couple resistances, so they keep attacking this area right here. So you see how they keep pushing? It's like you guys, it's like a little midget playing basketball with like Shaq or something. He keeps trying to push and he keeps stuffing them. It's basically who got the bigger size, the bigger money will win. So that's why we watch for the bigger size and the bigger money. If there's a lot of supply up here, it's like an imbalance. If there's an imbalance between buyers and sellers, if there's too many buyers and not enough sellers, it's going to go right through here. But if there's an imbalance on the seller side where there's going to be a lot of supply in this area, people locking in profits, people shorts, people this. That's why we're watching here and watching here. We're just trying to get, like, put everything together like a big puzzle. Right now we're getting through the 130-150 area. I had to, you guys, just for real quick, I had to add on 200 shares, just real quick, because it's adding on. I might be wrong, but it's holding the 131.40 area. So I added on 200 shares, and I'll be taking off 200 hopefully, and at the 75 area, 75 area if we get there. Let's see if this thing holds up. Let's see if we get some volume to come in. Just took off 200 shares, you guys. I think I took it off in the 70 area. Let's see if this thing becomes new resistance. If they try to smack it down from here, I need a crack of this, because my final target area is the 132 area. You guys are right below it, at least. That's my final target area. Now we're risking a little bit, you guys. We're risking a little bit of the house's money. So we took our money. We're playing a little bit of their money, you guys. Don't risk your own money. Which it is kind of our money, but it's only just a couple hundred shares left. We lock in most of our shares. We took our profits. We took our profits off the table. We put our money in the bank. Now we play a little bit with let's say we took like $500, put in the bank. We got like $100 left to play with, something like that. Just for like example. Right now we're gonna test the 131.68, 69. See if we crack the 74, 75 area. Right now we just tested 75. We had some supply up there. But I didn't see too much supply up there, so we could get through them. They might be hitting, you guys, so we're going to watch. Good size so far coming in on the times and sales. Decent volume. Level 2, not that bad. Not that bad on the level 2, not that bad. We're testing 75 area right now. Let's see if we can get it to 132. I said, you guys, either I'm going to take it off at 132 or really close. I kind of just missed that one. I'm going to give it a few seconds to see if these shorts start covering at the 132 area. We got decent volume coming in. Watching level 2. They're stepping it up. Bidders, they're taking it back down. We got some supply right there at 132. We do have some supply at 132. We have a little supply. Let's see if they can attack. Let's see if they attack the 132 area. So far, you guys, it's looking good to crack. We do have some resistance right here. We do have some resistance at 132 from earlier. They're going to eat that up. Shorts are going to see that resistance. They're going to try to eat that up. We got the 9 below us. We got the 80 below us. Came really close to my target, you guys. I missed it by 1 second, but I'm going to give it another second. Sometimes that happens in trading, you guys. It's called trading. It's okay. Now they're eating it up. We got buyers at the area. We have buyers trying to hold the area, the 80 area, 75 area. Let's see if that holds up. They're cracking it. A lot of sellers right there. You guys. A lot of sellers right there. Huge ugly candle on the 3-minute right here. On the 3-minute, huge ugly shadow, upper shadow. If it cracks below the 50, we will get out. That's our risk on the last 200 shares, you guys. The 50 area. Here we go. If I see 49, 48 on the level 2, I will be selling. Gave a little bit back, you guys, because I just missed it by 2 seconds. Sometimes you're not quick enough. I wasn't quick enough on that one. Should have took it, but it's alright. Let's give it a few seconds to test. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Bidders at 64, sellers at 70. Sellers just stepped it down to 69. Not too good on the bid side. I don't see no like big size coming in on the bid side. So we do have 1 or 2 guys trying to pump it up right here, trying to hold the support. Excuse me. Bidder stepping it up a little bit. We need these sellers to move up. We need the sellers to move it up to 132, 131.99. Let's see if the 9 goes in their favor. They have resistance right here, and they have the 9, you guys. So let's see if they continue to smack it down. That's why you guys sometimes see me with a lot of lines, because I do like as I go sometimes. As you go, you can, like, lines happen, stuff happens. They're not gonna they're not gonna get it below 132. Here we go. Damn, gone. Gone, you guys. You guys seen me give a few dollars back, but not bad. $572 in about 20, I don't know, like 20, 25 minutes, you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Anybody has any questions, please leave in the comments. Private coaching sessions, you guys. mytradecoach23@gmail.com. And remember the motto, you guys. Plan the trade, trade the plan. See y'all in the AM. Peace out.